guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this fake spotlight on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to copy and paste that, and on the second video, go to adjustments, and you're just going to make it a little bit brighter and like maybe the color that you want. Maybe like this, and in the background you're going to make it a little bit darker than it is. Go on the light colored video, go to mask and select circle, and you're just going to basically feather that out and create a mask, and you're going to add a keyframe to kind of follow the movement of the person here. So I'm just trying to go with her hand kind of. And you're just going to basically follow her movement throughout the whole thing. Obviously it's going to take super long. It is a little bit tedious, I must say that. But yeah, that is pretty much it, really. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!